Hi, my name is Kayla Tyson. I decided to talk about the female organs for the most part and how they work all together and their functions. I decided to do it out of a mask because I'm started moving out already, so this is what I had, and it was easier to shape. Um, this is all female organs. So this is the mask. I decided to staple it and everything. So I scrunched the mask in half and shaped it. So let's start off with this I don't know if you can tell, but this is the uterus. I kind of try to outline it because it is a pear shape, and it's we know it as like an internal duct, and it supports the bladder, the bowel, and the pelvic bones. And this is also where the egg puts itself after it has left the ovaries and after it has been fertilized. Um so then we're gonna go to these little things. These are the fallopian tubes, or what we know as the uterine tubes. And these are supposed to be reddish color because that's what I saw when I seen the fallopian tubes. And there is a three-part system, and it transports the ova from the ovaries to the uterus every month. So basically, when the females have their menstrual cycle. These are cotton balls, and the cotton balls stands for the ovaries. And this is egg production. This is Their ovaries are grayish color, so I colored it with a gray marker, the cotton balls. um it's for eggs production, and I like to highlight that these two, both of them are two on each, there's one on each side. And then this little, I broke up the cotton balls to show that it connects back to this. So uh this is the most important organ in the female. It is in charge of egg production, and it produces estrogen and progesterone. um and unlike the testes that releases millions every all the time, the ovaries only release only quite a few at one time, just a few times actually. And that is relieves me to go to this part. This is supposed to be more of a pinkish, but I don't know why the marker is more red. But this is the pink, and this, once you come from the uterus, you fall back into the cervix. And the cervix is actually very popular, and it is the passageway of when it's time to deliver a baby. It's also known as the passageway of sperm into the uterine cavity, for also when us females have, the menstrual cycle. And then I try to staple this and scrunch this very part down right into kind of like a funnel, because that is the vagina, and that's actually also an internal duct, and it carries the female's menstrual cycle, so period, outside of the body. And it also can receive the male's penis during sexual activities. And also, like I stated, it also serves as a birth canal exit point during labor. So just the overview: this is the uterus, pear shaped right here. This is the whole uterus. Fallopian tubes right there and right there. Ovaries on each side. This is the cervix. After this is the uterus, this is the cervix, and then this is the vagina. And that concludes my video for the female structure and organs, key structure and organs, and their functions, how they relate to each other, and their functions.